In this lecture, we will try to understand program of stack using linked list. In this program we will try to understand display operation. In my previous lecture, I discussed push operation on the stack using linked list. The struct node int info struct node star link. What does it mean? This node is a structure name. Info and link are two variables in which link is pointer variable, info is an ordinary variable. Again, top is a pointer variable which is initialized with null value. Basically, this is self-referential structure which is useful for creating or writing program for stack using single linked list. Main, which indicates beginning of your C program. Int choice is integer type variable, clear screen, which will clear the output screen. While 1, it's an infinite while loop. We will enter inside 1 dot push. I already discussed this push function. It is completed. 2 dot pop, 3 dot display. Now we will try to understand display. This is menu driven program. After displaying these options, let me say I enter number 3. This number 3 will get stored. This number 3 will get stored in the place of choice. Therefore, your choice value is 3. Switch choice means switch 3. Switch 3 means case 3. Case 3 means display is a function call or calling function. Automatically, control will transfer to the definition of this display function. To display the contents or elements stored in stack, first you must make sure whether stack is created or not. If stack is not created, initially top value is null. I must check if top equal to null. Before displaying elements, first I must check whether stack is created or not. If top equal to null, what does it mean? Stack is not created. Even if it is created, all the elements are deleted. In that case, top value will be null. If it is the case, top equal to null, stack is empty. If top equal to null, there are no elements in stack, isn't it? Let me assume stack is already created. This is the stack which is implemented with the help of single linked list, in which this is first number 10 stored in a node whose address is 1000. This is number 2, 20. It's stored in a node whose address is 2000. Number 30 is stored in a node whose address is 2000, whose address is 3000. Number 4 is stored in a node whose address is 4000, isn't it? Now, we will try to analyze this. We will try to analyze this particular stack. How will it be? Just say struct node star ptr equal to top. What does it mean? Your ptr equal to top. What is your top value? Your top value is 4000. Automatically ptr will point to a node whose address is 4000, isn't it? Yes, ptr equal to 4000. Yes, correct. Now, where can I go? If top equal to null, top equal to null, what is my top value? Top value is 4000. Top 4000 cannot be null. Therefore, this if block will be skipped. Now, where will you go? You will enter inside else. Stack elements. A message will be displayed. What it says? Stack elements. Isn't it? On output screen, a message will be displayed. What it says? What message will it display? Stack elements / and means cursor will move to the next line. PTR. What is my PTR? 4000. 4000 not equal to null. Is it true? Yes. 4000 not equal to null. True. If it is true, we will enter inside while, isn't it? Therefore, printf %d ptr arrow info. PTR means what? 4000. What is 4000 info? This is 4000 whose information is 40. Therefore, first number 40 will be displayed. Isn't it? PTR equal to PTR arrow link. What does it mean? PTR equal to PTR arrow link. This code. This is the code. PTR equal to PTR arrow link. PTR is 4000. That is 4000 link. What is my 4000 link? Just check here. This is 4000 whose link is 3000. Therefore, PTR equal to 3000. Therefore, PTR is updated. Isn't it? Let me update PTR. Instead of 4000, Instead of 4000, I must write 3000. I must also remove this link. Actually, this PTR is now let me remove this one is also. Now what is the PTR value? PTR value, let's just remember PTR is 3000. Let me update PTR with 3000. Just see, this is 3000. Automatically PTR will search for a node whose address is 3000, isn't it? That's what it says. Now where can I go? Again I must go back. Now PTR, previous value of PTR is 4000. Now PTR value is PTR 3000. What is this 3000? Is equal to null, not equal to null. 3000 not equal to null, true. If it is true, you will enter inside while loop PTR arrow info. PTR means what? 3000. What is my 3000 info? 30. That number 30 will be displayed. Now PTR will be updated. What it is? PTR equal to PTR arrow link. What is my PTR? 3000 link. What is my 3000 link? Just see, 3000 link is 2000. Therefore, PTR is updated with 2000. Let me update PTR with 2000. Let me remove this one. This one. Therefore, this must be removed. This must be removed. Let me remove this also. Just a minute. Just let me choose pen. PTR is 2000. Automatically, PTR will search for a node whose address is 2000, isn't it? Now again what happens? Let me remove this part of code. Yes, PTR is updated. After updation, where will we go? Again you must go back. Where can I go back? Just see, this one is updated. Again I must go back. PTR not equal to null. What is my PTR value? My PTR value is 2000. Now let me write like this. This one is 2000, isn't it? 2000 not equal to true. PTR arrow info, 2000 info. What is this 2000? What is 2000 info? 20. That number 20 will be displayed. PTR equal to PTR arrow link. PTR equal to PTR arrow link. PTR means what? 2000. 2000 link, isn't it? 2000 link. What is my 2000 link? 1000. Therefore, PTR equal to 1000. PTR is updated with 3000. PTR is updated with 1000. Therefore, let me update that pointer. Let me erase first. This must be 1000. How can I write? This link must be removed. This link must be removed. This must be removed. Yes, PTR is 1000. How can I write? Just see. This is 1000. This is the pointer. Automatically, it will search for a node whose address is 1000. Isn't it? PTR is 1000. Now what happens? Just see. Let me remove all these things. PTR is updated. After updation, again control will go back to the while loop. Now what happens? Just see. We'll go back to the while loop while PTR not equal to null. What is my PTR? 1000. This is 1000, not 2000. 1000 not equal to null. It's true. Therefore PTR arrow info. What is PTR? PTR is 1000. 1000 info. 1000 info. 1000 info means what? 10. That number 10 will be displayed. Again, this particular code will get executed. PTR equal to PTR arrow link. PTR means 1000. What is my 1000 link? My 1000 link is null. Therefore, PTR is updated with null, isn't it? PTR is updated with null. Therefore, let me update this with null. Therefore, this link will not be there. Let me keep PTR as null. How can I keep? Just let me write here. PTR equal to null. Now again I must go back. If I go back to the while loop, null not equal to null, as PTR equal to null, while loop is terminated, we will come out of this particular while loop. Now what we discussed? We discussed display function. Displaying the elements of the stack. Which number first? It will be displayed first 40. That's what it says. Next 30. Next 20. Next 10. Last in first out. First 40, 30, 20, 10. This is the display function of stack implemented using linked list. Thank you very much.